Hey everybody, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source LLC in Jacksonville, Florida. I wanted to take a minute to walk around this really nice 2004 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Got 105,000 miles or so. Clean Carfax. Small suspension lift with some Bilstein 5100 shocks. Very small body lift as well. Some 315 7017 Goodyear mud terrain tires with some aftermarket wheels. It's got a nice look to it. The BESTOP soft top's in great shape. Nice set of side steps. LED light bar and headlights. It's got a really nice aftermarket sound system that sounds great. It's got a sub and an amp in the back. Just all in all, a really nice Jeep. Feel free to call or text me at 904-382-7230. Be happy to answer any questions you have about the Jeep. Clean Carfax. We are pricing this one at $14,995. I encourage you to go to our website, premierautosource.com, and check out all the detailed photos. And as always, we really appreciate your interest in taking the time to take a look. And have a great day.